Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So as you see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I fried this delicious red snapper, and then I topped it with some sauteed green bell peppers as well as onions. So if you would like to see how I cook this delicious fish, then just keep on watching. Okay, G Squad, so per usual I have all my ingredients laid out here on the counter, starting with the star of the show, our red snapper. So I've already washed it and everything. She's, prepped and ready to be seasoned. And bringing us to our seasonings, I'm just using some simple seasoning, roasted garlic granules. I have some black pepper here. Also, you know I use my paprika, for browning. So then I have some onion powder. And then here I have some New Orleans style fish fry left over. So I'm just going to batter and fry my my fish with this, okay? And also on the stove, and you'll see that, in a little while, I have a pan with some vegetable oil heating up. So family, make sure that you, before you do anything, get your grease started, because by the time you're done seasoning your fish, you want this grease to be hot. And comment below what my saying is about the grease when you know your grease is hot. So let me see how many of y'all been following me for a while and you know what my saying is when it comes to this grease. So let's get started with seasoning our fish. And alright, so I'm just going to start off with my black pepper. And if you are new to my channel, first of all, I want to welcome you with open arms. Thank you so much. On this channel, I really do not give out measurements. I just show you what I use, and then I just always say, just make it your own. So I added the onion powder, probably too much. That I didn't mean to add that much. I just got distracted from talking. But in any case, going to add some of this garlic, and then go in with the paprika. And now I'm not going to add any salt to this. Reason being is that the fish fry that I'm using, it has salt in it. As a matter of fact, I believe it was 720 milligrams of salt, so I didn't realize it was that, salty. So I just wanted to, put that out there. But yeah. So but everything in moderation. I seldom fry fish, so we're good. But anyway, so I'm just going to rub this in. And then also, while I'm on the topic of, fish, since we're cooking fish today, I don't know if you had noticed, I had a couple of videos on swide fish. And I did go and remove those videos because one of my subscribers, or someone that viewed my channel, they pointed out, hey, that the fish is poisonous. And so I did my follow-up, and sure enough, the conditions that I found, the fish, bottom line, let's just say, it's not good for you. So I did want to make you aware of that. My apologies that I didn't know beforehand, but however, I didn't want to just remove the videos and not at least share with you and make you aware, so you can just make informed decisions. That's it, okay? And shout out to the person that pointed it out to me. So now, keeping it moving, I'm not going to use any more onion powder, because since I put so much the first time, so I'm just going to do the same thing on this side, season it with my same spices, and then mix it in. And then also make sure you get inside the cavity of your fish. Season that really well. Make sure I get what's on my cutting board. Alright, so now fish is nice and seasoned, so let me go wash my hands off, and then I'll meet you back at the stove so we can put this baby in the fire, in the grease. Okay, family, so as you can hear, our grease is popping, so it's good and ready. So now I transferred my fry batter into this plastic bag. So I'm just going to add my fish in here. Just shake it, give it a nice mixture, mixing and making sure it's coated well. Okay, so you want to shake off the excess. And so now just gently, lower your fish into your oil. Okay? Just like that. Alright? So I'm going to allow this to fry for a few minutes and then we'll, turn it over. Alright family, so this is our fried fish right out of the pan. So now while this is cooling off some, we're going to go ahead and get started with our pepper and onion topping. So to this pan I've added some olive oil. So now I'm going to add the pepper and onion. And then I'm going to saute them for a few minutes. Okay, so now I'm just going to season them with some simple salt and pepper. So now they've been going so far for like 2 minutes. So I'm going to let them cook for about another 3 minutes. Alright, so our peppers are done. I have my fish here on the plate, just waiting. I'm just going to add them right on top of my fish. See that? Yes, look at that goodness. Look at that goodness. Woo! Alright, y'all see that, family? Okay, so let me do what I do behind the scenes and then I'll come back and we'll wrap up this video. Alright, G Squad, so here we go. I have my fried red snapper with pepper, and then I paired it with this salad that I made. It's a tofu salad. As you can see the tofu there, and I do have a separate video for that. So if you want to see how I, created that salad, go check out that video. Alright, so, but yeah, here we are again. So family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, like, comment below, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye!